Now, the last video we stopped from here, and we can start using the functionalities from here. But for starting using the functionalities, you need people, and you can set up the rooms. For bringing people in the room, it's very straightforward. The link that we used before is this, and if you notice, we are already going to connect again, but we don't want that. We want the users, other users, so we copy this URL, and that URL we need to send it to our clients or students. The most important, they receive it as they need to enter. Now I'm going to send it technically to myself, but in a mobile environment, so I can actually enter in the room. Give me a second to enter. Now, I'm sorry about that, but I can't show you in the phone, but it's just clicking the link that he sent and just press accept and follow the simple steps. Like, he is telling me to write my name. I'm going to say Bob. Just a simple name just to enter. Now he's asking me if I can use application or the browser. I suggest to use the application. For using the application, he's going to tell you you need to install Adobeconnect. Just tell him install, and he's going to install it for you. The first time it's going to take that time just to install it, but after that he's not going to ask you again, because when you have it installed the second time, you don't need it to install it again. Another thing to you remember is we clicked that the user need, when you enter, he needs to tell us, we need to tell him, allow him to enter. So now we're going to see a pop-up telling us that Bob wants to enter, but you see, one person would like to enter in the room, accept everyone, and here if we have more than one, that one is going to work, accept everyone, but Bob is a guest, and we're going to click allow to enter. As you notice, Bob, when you click on Bob, you can do some things with him, like start a private chat, enable microphone so he can talk, enable camera, and a lot of things here. Like this is better you enable the microphone one by one. It's more good because there will be no being interference between the noise, because a lot of mics running here and running in the same time. Now, right now, you can have how much you want, obviously till 25 people, and that is all. You can work as you want. Remember, now there is a host, it's me. Now if, for example, I quit this room, Bob still can stay in the room because I left him in the room. Now the link that I used, you can keep using it as long as in the computer, in your account, you still keep it. If I go again to use user training, I click my folder and there is the test room that we did. If you click again this one, you have number of users in the room, you see, 2. This one is the link of that room. It means you can keep it as long as you want. When you want to delete the room, you just click and delete. But if you want to keep it and you want to keep using it, you can keep using it. In the next video, I'm going to show some basic tools that you can use inside, so you can learn how actually it does more things, not just enter in a room and finish. Now, thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.